show that the points x comma y where x is equal to 5 cos theta and y is equal to negative of 4 plus 5 sin theta lies on a circle for all values of theta. Now, given x is equal to 5 cos theta, let it be number 1, and y plus 4 is equal to 5 sin theta 2. Now, squaring and adding one and 2, we get x square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 25 cos square theta plus 25 sin square theta. X square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 25 with cos square theta plus sin square theta. X square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 25. What we are having? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1, identity. Hence, theta lies on a circle. Hence, x square plus y plus 4 whole square is equal to 5 square represents a circle